Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to talk to you all about pressure. Remember, the formula for pressure is pressure equals the amount of force divided by its area. So if I increase force, I'm going to increase pressure. But if I decrease the surface area, I also increase pressure. So take, for instance, this balloon. If I increase force on the balloon, I increase the pressure that's under. But if I decrease the surface area, this nail has a very small surface area, that's gonna increase the pressure on the balloon. So small surface area, lots of pressure on the balloon. But check out my bed of nails. Notice that the pressure on this balloon is different because the surface area of the nails has increased. So if I increase the surface area, the number of nails that are actually on the balloon, I actually decrease the amount of pressure that's on. This is why a stiletto heel actually exerts more pressure on the ground than the bottom of an elephant's foot, because the bottom of an elephant's foot has more surface area, and so that decreases the amount of pressure on the ground. Whereas a stiletto heel is very small, has a small surface area, so it increases the pressure exerted on the ground. So here on my bed of nails, you can see it's the same balloon, but I have all of these nails here instead of just the surface area of one nail on the balloon. I have all of these nails. There's over 50 nails there. So when I put the balloon on all of those nails, I can press on it and it doesn't pop. The pressure is actually different because I increased the surface area that's exerted on the balloon. So pressure equals force divided by the surface area. So I'm gonna press on this. Check this out. I am pressing on it and it is not popping. My balloon on my bed of nails. Just amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.